Hey, say hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Yeah, that's Colombia right there, man. Medellin, Colombia. You know? At least I got that shot. Welcome to Colombia. Hey, those guys also are cute, man.
They're cute. Yeah, guys are everywhere. Look.
Wow.
I really wanted to go to a club. Yeah? Yeah. That one there. I've been there. That's it.
You know, I want to go to a club and meet a normal girl and dance with her, you know? You know what I told those girls when I first talked to them?
Yeah.
Take a get a spot, free entry, full
Thank-
body make.
Thank you, man.
Una botella gratis.
Una cerveza sí le puedo dar gratis a cada uno, eso sí, sí, eso sí, sí. Para que chequen ahí, sin compromiso, tú sabes cómo es, papá.
Free beer for two of us. If we go check it out, that club.
Free beer?
Yeah, one. Yeah, one each.
I've never had a club giving free beer.
Ah, I'm sorry man, my English is shit, man.
No, como cerveza libre.
Pero una sola ronda, eso se lo regalamos al público por primera vez.
So, what do you want, man? You want us to check it out?
Let's go check it out.
You sure?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let me film these guys, man.
Oh, look at the white pants.
Coming where?
Chiquitita y los sabores negocios. Que manejamos otro tipo de público acá.
Mira,
De nosotros.
let's go and get our free beer.
No, man, let me film these girls.
All right.
Look, the club is right there. There's nothing happening.
No, it's the one in the bottom. Not the top, the one in the bottom.
Buena gente. Miren,
Let's walk, man. Let me film these girls here. Come, we take them.
Ahorita llegamos. Good Friday. Ahorita llegamos.
Hey, girl. Hey. Oh. Damn, man. Look at these booties. And look the other side. These are working guys, right?
Oh yeah.
Hey, look. Woo. Money is money. Now a good girl is here, you see?
Oh, that one, the one in black.
Yeah, good girl.
Yeah, that's nice.
invitados a Tabú, ¿ah?
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
She can't do anything. Chivo, ¿cómo estás? You wanna give us some stick?
Huh?
Look right there, it's happening. Great temptation here in Parque Lleras, you know. ¿Cómo estás? Espera unos minutos. Show shaking it for us.
Guys, I'm sorry. You like it? They're walking.
Oh, say something, man. How was your experience?
Good. I mean, I've been in Colombia for 12 years now. It's an awesome place.
How many years?
12 years.
12 years.
Yes, I used to live in the States, but believe me, if you come to Colombia, you will never live.
Oh, that's the biggest risk.
That happened to me. That happened to me.
And also this guy too right here, right?
I think he's going in the same way.
He's going the same way.
Yeah.
Me too. Me too. At some point I was illegal.
Not at all. Illegal? There's anything illegal in Colombia.
Yes.
Nothing illegal.
Oh man, look right there. Look right here.
Boys, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm Pablo. I'm the manager of Taboo. If you want to take a look, it's for free.
Where?
If you want to, up there.
Look at these guys.
I'll check on the top floor. If you want to take a look, just let me know. I would like the picture. We got vodka, tequila, cosmos, or section B for it. Have a good night. Enjoy your stay.
Let me film these guys, then I'll come, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She wants me to say hello, man. I wanted to film those guys over there. Dang. Oh. First, let's film this, then we go there. Man. Let's go right there. The girl I met there. Going there.
That's what I said.
We are not going there.
The same.
Yeah, man. Hey, man. Let's keep walking. Hey, man. Here the hunters are real. They're everywhere, man. Medellin, Colombia, man. It's so crazy here, man. You should visit. Man, there are too many guys here. Yeah. Let me talk here. So you can always buy some food down here.
Exactly.
How much does it cost, like, a food? Just ask them, like, ¿cuánto cuesta? You wanna ask how many dollars the food costs?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Okay,
The menu's back over there.
so we have to change. You see, they are cooking. And you see, it's right there. So as you see, the most expensive one is like $4. That's $4, right? That's 3,000.
Exactly.
You can see right here. That's the most expensive one. We see 13, but it's nearly the same thing. You see? It's actually like. And that's the food right there. They are cooking. You see? So as you see here, hey, you wanna eat or you wanna say hi to my camera? You wanna eat? It's $4, the most expensive one. Where are you from, guys?
Empanadas.
No, it's $4. Look, the menu is right there.
Empanadas.
No even name. Yeah. So you see, that is gringa girls. They're always like, you know, I wanna ask. Thank you. I'm trying to steal his face because the camera detected me. Yeah. So guys, ensure you give the video a like, man. All the time I say that because those likes helps the video to grow or helps the channel to grow. And also my friend here, I want to give him a special shout out for showing me around. He saw my video before coming, but now he's an expert than me. What do you think?
it's amazing being here in Medellin the first time, right? I've been here for 3 months.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm staying pretty close to Parque Lleras here, and I haven't had any issue.
Yeah.
It's pretty safe, right? And it's recommended. You know, you don't want to go wandering around any other places, right?
Yeah.
I started watching Marwa about a year ago, something like that, right?
Yeah.
And I started watching all his videos.
That's before you came.
That's before I came, right?
Yeah.
So, and it helped me out. Once I was here, it made everything more helpful,
Oh,
familiar.
more real. Yeah, familiar, exactly.
Familiar, right?
Yeah.
So with all the tips he was saying and everything, so it's good being here in Poblado, especially close by here. You got everything you want. You got restaurants, you got clubs. You know, you just gotta be a little bit careful who you meet, you know.
And where you meet them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, but it's a great place. Haven't had any issue.
Hey, wait. Hola. Mira. ¿Qué pasó? Let me show you these guys. Oh, man. My camera is not responding. They already left. Those girls. They distracted us really big time.
The tall one.
The tall one, especially the tall one. So guys, man, tell them to subscribe to my channel, man.
Subscribe to his channel.
You know, people always watch me, but they never like subscribe.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe to his channel. It's a lot. It's helpful. It's a great person to meet. You know, really.
How do
fun
you feel
guy.
meeting me, man? Especially
You know
the
what?
first day.
I got it. The first day, I was surprised to see you. You know, I was like,
This is the guy I've been watching.
I've been watching this guy for so long, and out of nowhere, I met him and I saw him. Right, I'm like, hey, Marwa, what's going on? Right.
Yeah.
So wonderful guy to meet and everything.
Yeah, guys, please. I have to flip over and give it back. Please, man, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, support me. And I think I inspire many other YouTubers to come do this thing that I do, right? Yeah. So guys, I love you all, even my battery's dying. I wanna go to a club or find a girl to here, man. I'm in Medellin, Colombia. I hope. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah.
All I need is you, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.